Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to learn how to write two-letter words with the help of phonics. Mostly the beginners struggle to write. Now, need not have to worry. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel for more interesting coming videos. So let's start. How to write two-letter words using phonics. A. Make a sound. A. M. Make sound. A. M. Am. A. T. Make T sound. A. T. Act. A. N. A. N. An. A. S. As. A. S. As. B. Make B sound. B. E. E. Make E sound. E. B. H. Make H sound. E. H. E. He. M. Sound. E. Me. M. E. Me. W. Make W sound. W. E. We. I. Make E sound. E. S. Ease. I. S. Ease. I. Make E sound. N. Make N sound. I. N. In. E. T. Make T sound. I. T. It. E. F. F. Make F sound. I. F. If. O. Make O sound. O. Make O sound. O. N. On. O. O. F. Off. O. F. Off. O. X. Make sound. O. X. Ox. D. Make D sound. D. O. Do. U. Make A sound. A. S. S. Make sound. Us. U. S. Us. U. Make A sound. P. Make P sound. U. P. Up. T. T. O. To. S. S. O. So. So you also practice to read and try to write two-letter words again. Thank you so much for watching.